one favorite song and why?
I have 3. I like Dok Tok Tok.
Ikaw, anong favorite song mo?
Una sa lahat. I love each and every one of them.
My favorite in this album, that one song that really makes me stop and say, ay, ganda talaga itong kantang to. It's Dive. I love Dive so
too.
much. As in, parang, I'm so sorry, pero kasi Revo bias eh. What can I do? One, two, sarang! Hey!
Annyeong! This is Chancy.
Hi, this is Monica.
Hello, my name is Pia, and we are One to Sarang, your favorite podcasters who love Boy Next Door. That is us! Speaking of that, may tanong ako sa inyo.
Ano?
Nagkaroon na ba kayo ng crush na kapitbahay? Anong feeling? Wala, never?
Never. Kasi it was a very sheltered child.
Hindi ka talaga, wala ka
talaga
malang
ako.
nasilip kahit sa simbahan.
In all
Wala.
fairness, meron akong neighbor doon na, as in same birthday ko.
Uy,
Tapos pinanganak
Si
lang
Tesan?
siya. Oh, he was born in 1986. Pero,
Ricky Abad.
in fairness, marami yung Augustine in my life.
grabe mga Augustine.
Oo, ang dami
It's
kong
a birthday of
Augustine.
greatness.
I
Anyway.
know. Pati si Antonio Banderas is part of the Augustine crowd. So anyway, ito si August D pa. Tapos pag pinag-iwalay mo yung D, pwede siyang D10.
Oh, sige. Tama naman. The small letter D. Okay. Oh.
Anyway, so neighbor ko siya. Tapos, wala lang.
Ayun
Boy
na
siya.
yun.
Tapos para kami yung close. So I guess siguro in my young person head na parang, like, hindi ko man iisip, pero I guess maybe siya yung,
Sort of neighbor
parang
crush.
Sort of neighbor boy next door.
Mm?
Not necessarily crush.
Okay.
Oo, parang ganun. Yun lang.
Asa na siya ngayon? Hello sa'yo. How about you?
Oo.
Wala akong masyadong ka-age kasi
Mm.
growing up here in the area na boys.
Si Jackie Lou.
Si Jackie Lou mas matanda sa akin. By a lot.
Oo.
Hi, ma'am.
Bigla.
Kasi, siya, fan siya ng Boy Next Door. Manonood siya.
Correct.
Bahala. I-recommend ko sa kanya sa VLF.
Oh my God, Jackie Lou next door.
Pero, I mean, meron ako, parang may trio kami na friends. So,
Oo.
2 girl, 1 guy. I guess dahil siya yung guy, I don't think I was attracted to him as a kid, pero I was very fond of him. Or I like being around him. Parang ganun.
Diyan
So,
nagsisimula yun eh.
At nasa na rin siya ngayon.
Oo
Hello
nga.
sa'yo.
Nandito pa din pala siya.
Wala na siya dito, nasa States na siya. And I think bakla siya.
Ah!
Which is a great thing. Because
Correct.
may hinala na rin ako as a kid.
Oh.
Kaya fondness lang ang
Yeah,
meron.
kaya fondness lang siya.
Oh.
Okay.
I love it. I love that he's out there.
Correct.
Yeah,
Live
living
your
his best
life.
life.
Yeah,
Exactly.
proud and happy.
Correct. Kami dati, as in, kaming mga neighborhood friends, mahilig kaming magka-crush. Tapos yung isa namin,
Mahilig ka sa
mahilig. Hobby talaga, promise. As in,
Oo.
kung dadaanan natin oh my God, it's a long story.
Very
Pero-
sweet valley.
I know, as in,
Valley.
Tapos yung isa namin kasing friend, sobrang siyang yung high achiever sa school.
Ah.
Pinipilit namin siyang magka-crush.
Oh.
Hanggang sa napilitan siyang magka-crush dun sa isang person na sobrang nung lumaki na.
Oh.
Parang ganun.
Diyan kayo pumili kung sino yung magiging
Hindi,
crush
siya
niya.
naman. Ay, oo. Sabi naman, yun, pwede na yun. I-crush mo na yun.
Sinasabotahe yung buhay ng kaibigan
Oo
nyo.
nga.
Hindi man lang kayo pumili ng maayos
Forced
na crush.
attraction, gano'n?
Para lang may crush din siya kasi may crush na kaming dalawa eh. So,
Parang
ikaw
ayoko
siya din.
magpareto sa'yo. Makukani-kanina mo ko ireto.
Not when I was a kid.
Ah,
Maybe
okay,
not
okay.
that
Oo.
time.
Oo.
But yeah, bakit mga usapang crush? Mga nag-mature? Mga kapitbahay? Aminin natin minsan kasi may mga pumupogi dahil ang kapitbahay. It's proximity.
Ah,
Ay,
true.
yes, to proximity.
Right?
Oo.
Pero merong mga lalaking mga pogi talaga.
Talaga.
This episode, we are talking about Boy Next Door!
Yes!
Who's there? The Boy Next Door! Ting, 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 ting. We are so happy and so excited that finally, after 7 months, they are back with a full album, which is Home. So ano ba ang aming mga questions for this episode? First, ang ating tatanungin is, ang tagal natin pinaghintay bago lumabas itong
True,
full album. I mean, matagal by K-pop standards, I
Correct.
guess.
Oo.
But ang tagal. So like, did it deliver? Was it worth the wait and the anticipation? And next, meron bang particular song in the album that made you feel the emotional shift of Boy Next Door from carefree boys to reflective young adults?
Wow.
And then may
Reflective.
iba kasi nagko-complain sila na ay nawala na yung brightness, yung youth ng Boy Next Door. Do you agree, disagree, or what are your thoughts on this? Is it
Mhm.
even worth a conversation? I
Correct.
think it is.
Mm-mm.
Madami ding nagsasabi that it's a zero skip album. There are 8 tracks, well 9 in total because in the CD there's the CD only track ng 6-minute version ng I Wonder
Correct.
Always, which
So
I love.
blessed.
So meron ba kayong one favorite song that you want to
Mhm.
talk about and let us know why that
Mhm.
is your favorite song. And then
Mhm.
finally, please rate the album out of 5. Okay? So para to sa mga Sarang Base na One Doors, paki-share to sa lahat na iba pang
Yes.
One Doors. Magsama-sama tayong lahat
Oo nga.
para masulatan natin ang cause at sabihin na kailangan bumalik ng Boy Next Door sa Pilipinas
Tito.
for their concert.
Tito.
Please.
Oo
Iba,
na.
like, we need them in a Filipino crowd.
Correct.
Why the skip?
Yeah.
Ah.
Porket nag-FIVB, wala na, tapos na.
Porket it
Oo.
wasn't great. Like,
Hindi
yeah,
ba
it
kami
wasn't
enough?
great. I mean, no, the league mismo. It didn't do well. Porket ganon, unfair.
Kailangan nyo kaming balikan. We will show you
Correct.
what Wonders are all about.
Mhm.
Okay, so about this album, we are recording this just 2 days after the album dropped. So I'm sure the numbers will still change in the coming days, and we believe in the power of the streaming of Wonders. Let's all do it together. But as of recording, ito na ang kanyang mga wins of this album. So it debuted straight to number 1 on the Hanto Daily Physical Album Chart with almost 592,000 copies on the very first day. If I'm not mistaken, today nakita ko 900K na, reaching 1M na soon. So
Mhm.
makikita natin yung mga numbers on the album soon. It is also the 6th consecutive album of Boy Next Door to hit number 1 on the daily chart on its exact release day. Deserved congratulations to our boys. The title track, Viral, debuted number 5 on Melon Top 100. And also, all the B-sides were also in the upper ranks of the chart. So, yung nasa upper tier siya ng top 100 on day 1. So, nasa parang pinakamababa yata nasa 63, but almost all of them were charting on day 1. And Home, may mga nagsasabi that Home by Boy Next Door will be receiving the Melon Millions Album Award for surpassing 2.2 million streams in the first 24 hours on Melon. But then they will be on tour, so it looks like they will be skipping the award shows this
Ako na lang
season.
tatanggap. I can be there to represent. Cause.
Let's go. She's the queen of the jungle.
Oh, queen of the jungle.
Trenzy Kozoan.
And we also talked about Boy Next Door already in a previous episode. That's episode 142. That is our first Boy Next Door comeback with The Action. And we also have 2 music video reactions for Boy Next Door. First is the one with Hollywood Action and the most recent one with Viral.
Mhm.
Handa kayo sa aming mga tilian. Itaas ninyo yung volume. Alam nyo
Makisama
na kung anong
kayo.
parts
Oo.
ang kailangang tumili. Okay, so let's get right to it. Did the album live up to the insane level of anticipation that it brought? Yes, Miss Monica. Kasi ito parang kinakabahan na to eh. Anayin muna natin.
Sige, ako muna sa chill lang.
Oo, chill lang.
I mean, I agree, 7 months for K-pop standards is a long time.
Yeah.
Correct.
But life, I will admit, life has been busy.
Yeah.
So, hindi ko siya na-feel.
Gets.
Parang ganon.
Oo.
And, in a way, okay, this, I don't think it's negative naman. Pero yung sa The Action kasi, sobrang nabonggahan ako sa marketing.
Yeah.
As in.
Yeah.
And honestly, while the action song mismo was it. I mean, yun yung tuhog dun sa marketing. Hindi ko na na-feel anywhere else.
Yeah.
So I thought it was like, alam mo yun, parang
Oo.
nabitin ako na, shocks, ano yun, alam mo yun, sobrang na-hype ako, tas yun lang.
Oo.
So sabi ko, for this one, I knew that it was the full album,
Oo.
finally, and all that. Parang kinalma ko na lang. Parang, Alam mo yun?
Oo.
Parang hindi ko sinet up yung expectations ko masyado. Kasi napaso ako
Oo,
sa the
super
action.
gets.
Yun. Ayun, yun. So, ano yung follow-up question? Nasa emotional shift na.
Pupunta rin tayo dyan. But did it live up? Did it live up to it? Pero kung chill ka lang, parang okay.
Yeah. And I think I think it worked naman. My plan worked. Kasi, alam mo yun, I was very chill about it. Like, the concept photos started coming in. Information started coming in. And I appreciated it as something that they worked hard on.
Correct.
Alam mo yun, parang ganon.
Oo.
Na hindi ako, kung may mali man sa marketing, hindi ko napansin.
Oo,
Alam mo yun.
correct.
As in, parang natuwa ako that it's finally here.
Correct,
Yun.
oo.
So, nandun ako.
And also, parang, tama nga, you didn't really feel na they were gone kasi they were also very busy.
Yeah.
Diba, parang like, meron sila mga shows, bigla sila mag-appearance sa kung anong variety show, diba? So, parang like, they were pretty active still. So, pero ang ganda kasi parang it really felt na parang the months that they were preparing this, para silang ducks. Diba? Smooth sailing. Pero yung mga paa, gumaganon sa ilalim. Hindi natin nakita yung taranta, I'm
There's
sure,
so much
of this
going on
album.
pala.
Correct.
Yeah.
Oo.
So did it live up to that, I mean, sort of weight? I mean, weight in the sense na,
Oo.
kasi it's not as much content
Oo.
since wala silang comeback. So did it
Correct.
live up to it?
100%. Oh my God. Shit. Wait, kailangan pakalmahin yung puso ko.
Wag, ilabas mo yan lahat.
Kasi, parang, we were told na there was gonna be an album.
Yeah.
We were told around early this year, mga February, ganon. Tapos nun, hindi natin alam, ano bang album to? Wala silang minention, mini album ba?
Tapos bigla
Studio
silang
album
naglabas
ba?
nung live album. Na parang,
Oo,
ito na ba yun?
naglabas
Medyo
sila ng
nakakalito.
live album.
This year lang pala yun.
Yeah.
Oh, this year lang. Ang ganda rin ng live album
I love
na yun.
it so much.
Oo.
Jumbled up na yung...
Diba?
Anyway.
What a year.
I
Ang
know.
dami nila talagang ginawa. Tapos meron pa silang mga like OSTs. Sobrang daming random drops.
Yeah.
Oo.
Perfect Crown.
Oo,
Correct.
Perfect Crown.
Yeah.
And then, what's that other one? The Exchange.
Mm.
So they had that too. And then, so February, parang okay, may album na. Tapos, mga April na, wala pa rin balita.
Wala.
As in, no one knew. Parang like, akala ko ba May? May daw
Oo.
meron na. And then, biglang all of a sudden, may pinost sila na daga on YouTube. Parang ano ba to? Like, what's this? So, like, you're thinking na parang, ano ba to? Parang trailer lang or something. And then, on that drop na nakalagay dun sa trailer na may daga. Hindi siya trailer na may daga, no?
Is this the song Say Cheese or iba pa to?
No. Ito yung ano, as in, tok-tok-tok na.
Ah.
Oo.
Yung daga is the tok-tok-tok na.
Oo, yung
Pero
daga.
there was the website, the door, the house.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, they had that. So, kaya nga, no one knew. So, lumabas yung parang teaser, ng very, very short teaser for Tok Tok Tok. In my head, I was like, okay, so they're gonna finally announce an album. Ganyan pa sila, like, just laying out the schedule, ganyan. Kasi wala pa silang anything after that. And then, on the day of the, na in-announce, biglang, music video na siya. Syukit! Sobrang syukit talaga. And like, I appreciate this marketing approach. Oh my God, syukit talaga na parang, ito na siya. And then that's when they announced na it's a studio album. And then what I really liked about everything that built up to like the actual album itself is like they were like really trying to explain themselves. Para silang jowa mo na may kasalanan. To a certain degree na nga na parang ako like, parang medyo intense tong over-explaining with the documentaries and the essay. Alam mo yun, parang but nung nag-drop na yung album, na-appreciate ko na yung buong package. Kasi nga naman, sinasabi nga nila, it's their most personal, it's the one that they really worked hard on, and they also say na they're very misunderstood. Alam mo yun? And I think that is their way to tell us na parang ito yung message namin. Alam mo yun? And I appreciate the effort. Because ngayon kasi parang pa-mysterious na eh. Alam mo yun? I guess yun yung jams ng mga tao. Ganun. Or kung may mga information about the albums, sumalabas lang siya in like succeeding lives, ganun. Pero ito talaga, it was a concerted effort to show kung ano ba talaga tong next phase nila. And super, super, super duper appreciated kasi tuhog din siya sa package. So, yun. So, 100% lived up to all my expectations.
Yeah.
Yun.
Actually, Tessan also had something to say about that. Na parang, in fact, they in some of their Weavers lives, they were ranting about their marketing team for not coming up with any information because they knew they've been working on this album this whole time. Like they showed it in the documentary, and they can't say anything to anybody because wala pang nilalabas yung marketing team. So they can't really spoil anything. So parang may mga ganun din silang mga frustrations. As a Wondor, sanay tayo na kapag magkakaroon sila ng comeback, meron silang fun next door. This time around, binigyan nila tayo ng serious next door.
I know, sobrang serious.
Serious next door talaga siya. As in,
Grabe.
inaabangan namin na anak ko kasi yung fun next door is sobrang saya lang because obviously they're still working but it's like they're in the soup na parang
Oo nga,
chill-chill
correct.
lang, ganon.
Oo.
Pero wala, this time around, they really gave us, na parang minsan nga, iniisip ko, parang ang meta, hindi ko na sure kung alin ba dito yung totoo, alin yung hindi. Like, for example, the pinaka-last na nilabas na dun sa documentary,
Oo.
yung ending, makikita mo si Sungho na, okay, cut,
Oo,
slate.
gets.
Parang
Oo.
nakaka-off yun kasi if you're shooting a documentary, usually it's not the actors or the
Correct.
people inside.
nga.
It's not their
Oo.
call to say na, oh, stop na.
Oo.
It's the people who are shooting, di ba? Na
Oo,
parang
correct.
we got this, we're done for the day.
Gets.
So parang may part din dun na medyo
Mm.
nalito ko na, so how real are the things that they showed
Is
us?
this an act?
Oo.
Yeah,
Is it
medyo-
part of marketing?
Oo, parang may
Gets.
ganun lang ako nung...
Baka pahabol sa the action.
Correct!
Oh my God. Masyado
Oo
matalino.
pala.
Kasi na-feel nila na, ay, shocks, supot kami na. Ihabol
Kailangan
natin
nating
to.
anuhin.
Oo, ganon.
Go, Sungho, bilis. Mag-slate ka
Sobrang
dyan.
gets.
May
Oo
ganun,
nga.
tas parang, di ba, tas parang yung tail pa sa end, parang Wunak was like, oh, kunan mo to kunan mo to, may ganun. Na parang,
Correct.
so medyo nakakalito because, okay, so they were so aware of the cameras the whole time.
Oo.
May ganun lang. But then, they're idols. And that
Yes.
is their reality.
True.
And that is also the pinaka-thesis of most of their songs in this album.
Totoo.
It's like the idol life, struggling with fame,
Oo nga.
looking for fans.
true.
Oo.
Parang ganun. So maybe there's that as well. Or
Oo.
maybe,
Ano?
baka masyado tayo matalino. Ito na naman, na-overanalyze natin. But yeah, definitely for me, worth the wait because, oh my God, welcome back songs that are longer than 3 minutes.
Yes.
That is like the biggest
for
thing.
sure.
Like yung the action, parang pag upo mo pa lang, tapos mo nang
Correct. My God, yung
I
Live in
know.
Paris na parang 2 minutes lang.
Na sobrang bitin because I love that so
Oo.
much.
Wasn't that like, we have an album review of that?
Yes.
Oo.
Parang yun yung consensus natin lahat.
Ang
Oo,
ikse.
was
Ang ikse.
short. Correct.
Parang
Yeah.
singing it.
Masyado nilang
Minadali
Oo.
or something.
Parang medyo obvious actually. Like, I feel like this comeback, their energy, it's a studio album too, and it feels like they really did put their hearts into it.
Yeah.
So they seemed so happy to put it out. Sa The Action kasi parang when we watched the comeback, parang, oh my gosh, they looked so tired.
Oo.
Diba? We were
was a
talking
general
about that.
thought also.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oo.
I don't know why that makes me so sad
Oo.
because the documentary showed us so much of their sides when they always say, kumbaga, failure. Lagi silang may ganung
May
conversation
ganun.
na parang
Oo.
we didn't reach the numbers that we had. Oh, we are part of Hybe, but for a group that debuted in
Oo,
Hybe,
oo.
we didn't reach the numbers that we were supposed to.
Oo.
Which makes me so sad because I feel like they were focusing so much on the negative things
Mm-mm.
when they're still, growing. 17
Mm-mm.
took so long to reach where they are right
That's
now.
true.
When we started being Carrots, they were
Oo.
nowhere. Hindi pa sila nananalo ng desang sa mama.
True that.
Nananalo sila ng desang sa ibang Pero gets,
Oo.
parang kumbaga naging part pa tayo ng journey ng 17.
But I
Correct.
kind of get why the pressure. Because parang by the time they came in, Hybe is pretty up there.
Correct.
So, nagigets ko naman why it's a lot
Oo
of
nga.
pressure
Oo.
on them.
Mm.
And for me, parang inaano ko na lang na parang it's still a business,
Yeah.
and like when
Yeah.
the business side of K-pop start talking to them, it's gonna be in numbers.
Yeah,
Yes.
but then in terms of numbers, we should not forget, like if you look at their numbers, their albums is top 3 na most in 5th gen.
Ba't nila sinasabi na
Exactly.
hindi yun yung numbers nila?
Exactly. That's the frustrating part because I feel like they have set so much goals for themselves na
Oo.
hindi na lang nila nahihit.
Oo.
Pero if you look at the numbers,
Oo.
sila lagi
They're
yung
doing
pinakamataas.
okay naman.
Oo.
Maganda. And more than okay actually.
Yeah.
Oo.
If you look at the numbers literally. So
Oo.
parang dun
Okay.
lang kaya ako na-frustrate na boys, you're doing so well. You're doing so well.
Baka marketing na naman ulit.
Tapos
The
nadadala na
underdog.
naman tayo. The
Yung
underdog
story
narrative.
Parang BTS lang.
Hay nako.
Correct.
And yet
Pero
we,
okay lang. That, I'm gonna dive into it.
we know and we're proud that they're doing all of
Yeah.
this. Well, because they've been so open about this journey. And not naman to invalidate what they're going through, because that's their truth. And I
Correct.
understand naman that we understand as artists the high pressure that we put on ourselves as well. Pero ito, nakita nyo ba yung shift nila? And like, is there any song in particular that made you feel that emotional shift from Carefree Boys, I Love You Baby, Baby, to like they're more, to being more reflective young adults because they're all in their early 20s. Mon.
My turn.
Yes. Eto na. Eto na.
I'm not so sure about reflective. Pero in the song Adios, I thought that it was yung mga past songs nila kasi while they would sing about, screw you anxiety, screw
Correct.
you failure, whatever. Yung tono has this sort of sadness. Hindi man sadness, pero parang trying to lift them up a little bit, not necessarily mellow, pero parang mas kalma. Ito, mas, woo! Like, it's fun.
Oo, correct.
And I thought, I like that a lot. I like that shift kasi parang it's a different version of what I liked about them in the first place, the very first song, One and Only. Because it was just happiness.
Yeah.
And then I thought this was a different version of that kind of energy. Parang ganon.
Yeah.
So, emotional, parang yun yung emotional shift na na-feel ko na parang it's like same but different. Parang ganon yung naramdaman ko. And it's also very G-Dragon crooked.
Yes, exactly. Yeah,
Super.
And I loved it so much. And you guys
Yes.
kept repeating na they keep repeating na this album, the songs here are inspired by the songs that we grew up with. Like, of course, they're gonna
GD is gonna be
Correct.
there.
of course, kailangan part yun ng buhay nila.
Yes,
Diba?
correct.
It lines up.
Yeah.
Yun ang aking sagot. Excited.
Yeah. Totoo, I feel like with that song, Adios, it so captured the them that I knew. It's so witty, it's so fun. And then when they were performing it was back to Theater Next Door. Parang very theatrical lahat ng with Lihan, with the payong at the start. And then all of that, As in, sobrang gustong-gusto ko na, yun nga, same but different. That's a good way of putting that.
Super love din Adios.
Yeah.
As in. Parang yun nga, parang I agree din na parang it's them but like mas forward thinking, mas hopeful. I get. Mas
You
parang
can even call it more aggressive.
Aggressive.
Oo, parang ganon.
And I think that's the one where, diba, they had the lyric about, it's morning again because that happened. Parang it's morning again, I don't want to face this day, but let's just face it. Adios to, parang ganon. So parang, ang ganda rin ng mga insight na, diba, parang that lyric came from Jaehyun and Unak. Just, once again, parang, umaga na pala, may schedule na tayo. Kailangan na nating dumiretso. So parang, you could
love that.
see like how grounded it is in their reality na, yun na nga, hindi na sila si One and Only. Ito na sila with years of experience. How about you? Did you feel that shift in any of the lyrics?
Yeah, of course. Like listening to this album, it's still them. As in them, sila pa din to. Pero yun nga, parang may refreshed, parang ganun, with new perspectives because of their experiences. And for me, yung song na pinaka nagre-reflect nun is 06070 talaga. Na parang like, just look, and the lyrics are so beautiful. As in, sobrang parang like, nung binabasa ko siya, parang like, nagpo-poetry na tayo, ha? In fairness to you.
I super love that line when Jaehyun was like, I don't know if I broke a glass or was it my dream.
I love that.
As in ganun, because we know that medyo new information actually for Wonders na nagpa-part-time job siya because apparently he's ashamed of that part of his life. But like, we found out that, yung part-time job niya sa restaurant. And then there really was that night na nakabasag talaga siya ng madaming pinggan kasi nakita niya shoot, kasama ko silang trainees,
Oo,
tapos nasa TV na
nagpa-perform
sila
na
ngayon.
sila.
And then me, I'm here.
Yeah.
nakakaiyak.
Sobrang
Oo,
nakakaiyak.
And then, dun pa sa lyrics. And then, dun sa documentary, then he called one of his like sunbaes. Mga,
No, the one who casted him.
the one who casted him, who didn't give up on him. Parang bumalik ka, mag-cause ka. Kasi parang at some point, parang nung nakikita niya yung mga fellow trainees niya, nagde-debut na, tapos siya andun, nagpa-part-time job, parang hindi na, this is not the life na
Sabi
for
sa
me,
kanya
vision,
nung-
ganon.
Oo.
Sabi sa kanya nung nagka-cast sa kanya, like, do you want to continue doing part-time jobs and buying like these music equipment one by one?
Correct.
Or become an idol, buy whatever you want and learn from Zico?
Exactly, learn from Zico.
He was like, I want to learn from Zico.
wow.
Let's
Grabe.
go.
And he was the last piece in the puzzle,
Yeah.
apparently.
Oh,
Oo.
sorry.
And-
So, because of that, kasi I love how they always mention how we only became Boy Next Door when Jaehyun came in. Laging may ganun.
Grabe talaga yun. Oh my God. And I really appreciate this song because it's just, as we're talking about, it's just very vulnerable. Parang, kumbaga yung shift in terms of parang how they attack their music is it's really coming na from their own experiences. Like, sobrang specific ng kantang to. Like, Hiewa Station. Like, may mga specific instances talaga. So, you can really like draw a picture kung ano yung
Yeah.
nangyayari. So,
Yeah.
talagang, and I think yun yung shift na parang they've started being like your typical K-pop idols, not manufactured, pero music produced by other people. Of course, they're involved to a certain degree. But here, like, being really at the forefront of like writing and producing and all that, and like having their voice be at the very center
Yeah.
of it. Sabi din ni Songho, 'di ba, parang dito sa mga old albums namin, parang like I can only relate to Dangerous. Dangerous pa talaga yung pinaka-relatable song niya. Parang siya pa talaga yung rebel.
Naniniwala ba talaga tayo doon?
Sabi niya. With a grain of salt.
Naniniwala ba tayong tumatakas siya sa bahay? Nakita niyo ba yung Cortez, meron silang content na tatakas sila, pero hindi nila kayang tumakas. So sinabi na sa manager, actually, kailangan namin tumakas. Parang si Songho ganun. Feeling ko ganun siya.
Ganun, papaalam muna.
Oo.
Ganyan, mapapirma.
Oo, correct.
Tapos yung parang ngayon, they have this opportunity to really talk about their stories. And tagos like
Yeah.
how they sang it.
Yeah.
And like yun nga, we were talking about their influences and all that, like musical influences nila. Sobrang kita mo, rinig na
Correct.
rinig mo. And you know na sila lang yung makakagawa nito.
Yeah.
And for example, a lot of the songs, parang, ay, ito parang tunog like this, tunog like that. Pero may Boy Next Door pa rin.
yes.
So
Because it's still their story. It's
Yes.
still
Yes.
their, the words are still, the descriptions are
Oo,
still there.
Correct.
Yes.
Oo. So, yun. 06070.
Yeah.
67.
Wow, napaka-current.
Youth.
Current pa ba?
I was being sarcastic.
Okay.
But yeah, I super duper agree
Mm.
because 06070 really set the tone for the whole album.
Yeah.
And I love what Tessan said na parang before we had to be like characters in a movie when they have to write their song
Wow.
lyrics. They have to
Correct.
pretend to be somebody else to
Mm-mm.
talk about like my one and only or
Correct.
whatever.
Oo.
But this time around, it's really them. I mean, obviously, meron pa rin namang mga love songs. Like, you have Viral, you have Dive.
Dive.
Pero parang, it's more rooted on the reality that they have actually experienced
Correct.
as idols.
Oo.
And I love that we are seeing this shift in front of their very eyes.
Mm-mm.
And eto na naman, mukha na naman akong masyadong fanay ni Zico. But I really love that they're doing this under
Exactly.
Zico's guidance.
Yes.
Because they have like this North Star.
Correct.
And they know how to approach things. And what I love also about Zico is that he did not produce this group so that he can prove to the world that I can. He
Correct.
didn't do it just so that he can have like more trophies to bring home or whatever.
Exactly.
He
Oo.
did it because I guess he really saw something in these boys.
Yeah.
I don't know his story, but that's just my vibe na parang
Mm-mm.
inaano niya talaga. And I love those stories na kinukwento nila na with this album, we know that we already got his trust. Because hindi na tulad ng dati, natutok, ang daming ano, pero now, hinahayaan niya lang kami in the sense na parang kami nga kinakabahan.
Oh, kasi
Na-
wala siya sinasabi.
Oo, bakit wala
Oo.
sinasabi? Pero,
Oo.
pero sabi ni Zico na, because I trust you and I know the
Yeah.
direction this album is going. So, I love that they have that in him.
Whether you can also like see it as Zico sharing his talents.
Yeah.
I mean, he's
As a
gone through it.
mentor.
Oo. So parang why not give chance to these younger people?
Diba?
Yeah.
And it's
Correct.
always nice.
Yeah.
And as someone who was, in the very middle of the, K-pop industry, parang, I'm sure he has, ideas on how to change things, like make things
Yeah.
better. And
Mm.
I'm sure yun yung gusto niyang i-impart dito sa boys na to, diba?
Yeah, and it's so apparent and I love that they have that in him.
Correct.
Tsaka hindi siya yung papansin na kinukuha niya lahat ng accolades.
Correct.
To be fair, busy nga din pala siya sa Show Me the Money nung time na yun. So baka kaya hindi siya nakapag
Oo.
O, di ba nanalo yung ano niya? Oh, I like that rapper.
Oo.
Dati ko pa siyang pinapanood. But anyway, yeah, sorry. Another thing, minention natin yung mga mga inspirations. We did mention Viral was very BTS,
Yes.
Kita Newmul.
Oo.
And then we were saying that yung Crooked, GD, yung Adios. Tapos parang pinag-usapan namin kanina ni Trency. Sabi ko, parang kanta yan ni G.O.D. So,
Oo.
napakinig ko kay Trency ng G.O.D. kanina.
Correct.
Yung Forever You.
Forever You.
Forever
Oo.
You.
Oo.
So, hanapin nyo din yung To Mom ng G.O.D.
Oo.
As in, from the rap to the singing. Yes, he is so back. Bam! Ganon, G.O.D.
G.O.D.
Okay, and then we are talking about this shift, but there are some people who are complaining na, hindi na sila yung boy next door na bright and fun.
Oo.
Do you agree or disagree? Or what do you want to tell those people who are making comments like that? Ikaw muna, Chens.
Ang daming, kasi sobrang concrete kasi ng concept ng Boy Next Door. And then, it's so, at the start talaga, very bright, alam mo yun, parang very youthful, and I can see why some wonders attach themselves to just that concept. Oh, and they, parang minsan, it's hard to see change, alam mo yun, especially something, I guess, for them that they find drastic. Diba? From colorful, naging all grayed out na sila, diba? So, gets ko naman din kung saan sila nanggagaling. Pero kasi, that's a natural flow of things.
Yeah.
You evolve. Alam mo yun,
Yeah.
this is their 4th year. Tama ba? 2023. So, this is their, alam mo yun, parang matagal na rin sila. They've been through so much. And personally, as artists, they also want to evolve. They
Yeah.
want to put something new on the table, diba? And in K-pop na sobrang, alam mo yun, it's such a fast-paced industry. Diba? You want to always be putting something new out there. Alam mo yun. And with them, kasi something new, but something rooted pa rin in their own experiences. So for me, ito lang talaga siya. And if this is something that doesn't sit well with you, parang you miss the old ways, ganyan-ganyan, the old style, parang, wala tayong magagawa. You cannot control them. You
Yeah.
cannot tell them what to do. And it is honestly rude. Diba? Hindi mo pwedeng i-demand yun from them. We should
Yeah.
respect their process. We should respect their outcome, the
Yeah.
output. So
Yeah.
yun.
Like their journey as an artist.
Yeah.
Like if that's not the journey you're going through as a fan, it's okay. Again, you can leave. You don't need, it's not an
Yeah,
airport. You don't have to
oo.
announce your departure.
Exactly.
How about you, Mon?
100% agree with everything you said. Ako, honestly, sometimes I do miss that. I miss the old
Gets.
Boy Next Door.
Oo.
Pero, wala tayong magagawa. Tumatanda na sila. My
yeah.
God.
Correct. Imagine, 40 years old, one and only pa din.
Kaya nga, di ba, kumakatok pa rin sa
Kumakatok
cute
pa rin.
door.
Oo,
Alam mo yun?
totoo.
Sana mas modern naman.
Correct.
Kaya pa rin mag-high kick ni Ryu.
Correct.
Siguro na lang din. I mean, I kind of realized then that in K-pop, meron din kasi mga consumers that they really like the cookie cutter. And if it doesn't go their way, syempre aalma sila.
Oo, correct. Oo nga. And their internet is such an
Yeah,
open
yeah, I know. And they're
space.
so brave to say
Correct.
whatever they want kahit na hindi
Oo.
nila na-realize that they're hurting
Exactly.
the feelings of so many people. Not
my
just
God.
the
Especially
artists.
these boys. They're so
And not just
sensitive.
them. Also the people who are loving the journey.
Correct.
Alam mo yun? Kasi
Yes.
parang minsan may mga wording sila na as if mali ka pa, na supporting ka sa mga decisions nila
Oo.
na ganito.
Oo.
Alam mo yun? Yung
Yeah.
maturity route nila. But anyway, I think for those people, honestly, yung cutesy bright concept, these are the usual concepts of up-and-coming, yung mga
Correct,
newly
totoo
debuted
naman.
groups. For me, kaya din naman tumatak yung Boy Next Door kasi they did it so well. Kaya angat sila from the usual. So, kung ayaw na nila, kung namimiss na nila yung old, bright boy next door, edi go na lang to the next debuting group.
Exactly.
Correct.
Alam mo yon, ang dami
Oo.
naman yan.
Oo.
Kung yun lang din ang hinahanap nyo.
Yeah.
And there's nothing wrong with that. Alam mo
Yeah,
yun? I mean,
exactly.
it's also not your fault if that's what you're looking for.
Correct.
That's
Totoo.
true.
Oo, kanya-kanya lang tayong preference.
Just don't blame those who don't want to do it
Yeah.
anymore.
Yeah.
Yun.
Was it the same case with TXT? Kasi parang they debuted din na very bright, diba? Crown, ganun. And then biglang, I think
But
0 by
everybody
1
loved
was like,
0 by 1.
Pero nung
eh.
nag-anthemic
It was like-
kasi sila, parang, oh my gosh, I like this better.
Oo.
Bakit? May nag-ano ba?
Kaya ngayon
Nag-ano
ko
rin?
wonder. Kasi kumbaga parang medyo same trajectory sila of things. But then I guess
I think it could be more comparable to 17's Fear because they
yes,
had
yes. Oo
bright
nga.
concepts and a
Tama.
lot of people left the fandom because of Fear.
Gets.
So maybe it's that. Like,
Tuhog pala tayo sa mga fandoms natin, no?
oh, 'di ba?
Oo,
Na
correct.
parang
Mm-mm.
I guess there are people who would, like you guys said, just want that side of an artist and would not want them to evolve. And I respect that. Minsan kasi, you just need that in your life. And
Yeah.
kung hindi mo na yun mahanap sa artist na yun,
Okay lang.
then it's fine. Just go. But then I feel like, you know what? This album is still so freaking them.
Yeah,
There's still so much brightness,
exactly.
not in all the songs, but like there. With Adios, with Upside Down. It is so them.
Oo.
It's like the brightness matured.
Oo,
Because you
exactly.
can't expect them to still be writing about so bright na walang depth.
Correct.
And that depth was really apparent here in this
Oo,
album.
True.
Like, honestly, that's not the diss you guys think it is.
Oo nga.
Parang, I just, masyado na apologist. Shut up, girl.
Kasi parang tayo,
talking
di ba, as people, like, I still feel like I am still 16-year-old Renzi.
Oh,
Yeah.
There's still 16-year-old Renzi there, alam mo yun, and she will influence whatever expression I'm gonna put out. And that's exactly what they're doing. They're just
Yeah.
growing up, and everything that you saw before is still all there.
Yeah.
But in a different package, I guess.
I think that's also something I wanted to ask you both because again, hindi naman kami idol like Boy Next Door, but we are.
We're not?
Oh well, we are.
I thought we were.
We just recently debuted. Ilang years na ba tayo?
Oh, nakalimutan yung pangalan ng fandom natin.
Diamond something.
Diamond
that's
Star.
ano?
Diamond Star.
Maricel? But like, we are artists in our own right. We create, okay? So I also wanted to ask you both that question. Like, how would you take criticism like that? Na kunwari, you tried something new and then somebody would saying like, hindi yan yung Monica na gusto
Alam
ko.
ko.
Or like, ganyan. Parang, you try something new, parang, hindi yan yung trendy na gusto ko. How would you take something like that?
Sino ka para sabihin yan? Diba? Parang why you say, you know me better than me? Ano? You know myself better than myself? Diba? Parang like, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin yun eh. Parang, disservice siya sa journey din ng tao. Alam mo yun? Maybe siguro parang ask, like, what brought this out? Maybe that's a better route. Instead of judgment, baka understanding is a better,
Yes.
trajectory.
Mm-mm.
Diba? Kasi parang pag sinabi mo yun, parang wala na. Parang kinlose mo na rin yung libro. Alam mo yun? So,
Mine's kind of easy. Because I actually never like anything I do.
Grabe ka naman!
Sorry.
Oo.
To I'm just that kind of artist. I always have comments on, shucks, I should have done this. It could have been
gets
better
naman.
if it was like this, blah, blah, blah.
Oo.
I'm never satisfied.
Oo.
And Sam always gets mad at me.
Oo.
My mom, alam mo yun,
Oo.
Max. It's me.
yeah.
And I guess if people told me na, I don't like kunyari now. I don't like this version of Monica. I like the old. Honestly, baka kikiligin ako kasi parang, so you liked something of what I've done before. Gets? Parang it's in a way an appreciation comment. And sometimes I forget to do that to myself. Alam mo yon, to find like if I realize that there are people who appreciated what I've done in the past kahit na hindi ako happy with that particular work. Happy ako. Alam mo yun? Kumbaga, okay, I must have done something right then.
Yeah.
Parang ganon. So, that won't work with me.
But I guess
Just keep it coming.
that's a a great perspective as well. Like I know that they're eternally online as well. So that's a good thing for Boy Next Door to look at na parang, okay, so that means there is something I did that you appreciated. So thank you.
Totoo.
So that's a nice way of looking
parang
at
changing
it.
your perspective na lang of things.
Oo.
I hope
For
that's,
us.
malay mo, for all we know, that's how they see things din pala.
Mm.
Diba?
Sana nga, please boys, know that you are great and on to
True.
greater things.
Ikaw, hindi mo sinagot.
Ako, I feel like kasi similar lang din sa'yo na
Oo.
parang, sino ka?
Oo.
And I'm not a one-dimensional person.
Correct.
I am a being of infinite possibilities.
Exactly.
So how dare you just say that it's just one version of me?
Oo.
And hello, ang dami ng version ng sarili ko pinakita ko sa mundo.
Correct.
And like the things I do are also like very public. So
Mm-mm.
just deal. I can be all of this and more. Who cares? I can report about the Congress and talk about K-pop at the same time.
Exactly.
Shut the F up.
Multidimensional.
So, madami din nagsasabi that this is a zero-skip album. Okay, so do you agree first that it is a zero-skip album? Agree ba tayo sa pulso ng madla?
Well, definitely when you click start, like, all the way na yan.
Mm.
So yes,
Yes.
I agree.
No freaking skip.
Yeah.
As in, wala. Everything
Maganda
is
yung,
so good.
maganda yung
Totoo.
flow niya.
Yeah, right?
In fairness.
And
like,
it's
hindi mo mapapansin,
Tapos
it's the last song
Oo
na.
nga.
exactly. And it's not tapos na in a way na 15 minutes lang kasi.
Correct.
Kasi mahaba
Oo
naman
nga.
siya.
True.
May reason naman.
Babad naman siya
It
enough.
takes you to that journey. So for you, Mon, one favorite song and why?
I have 3.
Sige, tingnan natin kung kaya
Pipili
natin
ako.
masingit pa yung iba.
Hindi ko nasasabihin yung adios, pero definitely, sobrang favorite ko siya. Pero na-mention na kanina, so okay. I think, okay, ini-mini mini mo. Sige na nga, I like Dok Tok Tok.
Oh my God!
Na-overwhelm ako when I first saw it,
Oo.
music
Ah,
video,
Oo.
coming from adrenaline. because I think they used the same, hindi naman, I don't think it was the same
Oo.
location, pero parang the vibes
Yeah.
are similar. So yung shock ko was like, ganyan ng Boy Next Door.
Oo,
Alam mo yun,
oo.
hindi yung not even, what, gumagaya, not at all like that. It's more, oh my God, nandun na sila.
Oo.
Parang ganon.
And when you mean nandun, ano yung
Kumakaldag.
Oo, kaldagan na, ganun. Ano
Grabe,
andun?
skip ko naman yun. Pero,
Gusto ko ma-excite eh. Sabihin mo sa akin.
gusto mo makulong.
Makaawa na.
Parang
makukulong.
parang yung kaldagan stage kasi.
Oo.
Parang it comes when you're a little bit older.
Yeah.
I mean,
Correct.
diba,
Oo.
like when you're a little bit more confident
Yes.
or you're allowed na by the company.
Oo, correct.
Truly,
Oo, bigyan
So
permission
parang nung
slip.
nakikita ko na siya with B&D, it's like, okay, I guess we're here
Oo.
now. Parang ganon. I guess dahil syempre nauna na rin siyang na-release, right? So very heavily embedded na siya in
Yeah.
my brain. And hindi nakatulong na when you guys did the Tok Tok Tok's doorbell namin.
Oo.
Wala. Lagi ko na siyang
Every
narinig
day. Oh my God, to the end of
Oh,
time.
Ma'am Shopee. Tok Tok Tok. Hindi. Okay. Sige. Accept ko na lang.
Because the doorbell in Monica's house is exactly the same as the start. Ding, 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 ding.
Similar lang naman, pero very, very close. to it. Oo. And I read this lang somewhere, or baka sinabi ng boys. I don't remember na. Pero yung katok nila sa Dok Tok Tok,
Oo.
it's like more aggressive.
Oo.
Kung sa one and only, polite pa
Oo,
sila.
correct.
Ito,
parang
parang,
ganon. Tok,
Parang,
tok.
parang
Ganun
ano,
talaga.
yung one and only, parang, tao
Ting,
po,
ting, ting.
oo,
Oo,
parang
ganon.
pwede pong pumasok, parang
Correct,
ganon.
oo.
Ito, tug, andito
Oo.
na kami,
Oo.
parang ganon.
Parang tropa mo.
Oo, parang ganon.
Ano kami?
So, yun, sobrang naka-drill na siya sa head ko, and I really enjoy it. The onomatopoeia helps a lot because
Yes.
it built up the rhythm, the vibe.
Yeah.
The dance, the choreo that goes with it is
Yes.
well done.
Yes.
And Ang cute lang.
Oo.
Cute lang siya.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? And it's exactly how, kasi yung one and only talaga, nakadrill talaga yun sa utak ko eh. Ito, I guess, kung may one and only na dito, eto na yung
May
isa.
tok
Parang
sa
ganon.
kabila. Yeah. My God, I also super love Tok Tok Tok. And the thing is, I thought na kapag lumabas yung album, mapapalitan siya.
Oo.
It's not my top one in the album, pero nandun pa rin siya sa taas.
Oo.
Yung ganon.
Oo.
Kaya parang I have so much love for this song because it really set the mood for knowing that this is a new them. Parang ganon. So parang yung mga andahin pa nagreklamo na bakit sila nagte-trendy. At bakit naman hindi? Bakit bawal?
Bakit kung kayo nga nagte-trendy TikTok, bakit sila hindi
Diba?
pwede?
Ano ba naman?
True. Pero sobrang agree din with Tok Tok Tok. Like, it's not in my tops. But like it served the purpose that it was written for. Like it's really to announce that they're here.
They're
And
here.
I feel like largely like in a way parang imagination less siguro sa concert. Like how they're gonna use that song. Alam mo, kasi ang strong talaga niya eh,
Yeah.
'di ba? Sa comeback, 'di ba? Tama ba? Yun yung first song na ginawa nila. Am I correct?
Oo.
Oo.
Yes.
Ang lakas, alam mo yun. So sobrang
Kasi
sobrang
may
bagay.
familiarity na kasi.
That's
Yeah.
true.
So when you
Oo.
listen to the album, so new song, ay, alam mo yun, yung parang, oh, it's here, parang ganun. Parang happy ka that you're hearing it again.
Truly
Oo.
agreed. Ikaw, anong favorite song mo?
Una sa lahat. I love each and every one of them. Like, oh my God, like it's just oozing their own stories. And yun nga, parang with the documentary kind of propping up the album, you know, parang binabasa mo yung lyrics, napakinggan mo siya, you can really imagine, you know, like the effort and, you know, the heart that they put into these songs and stuff. Na-mention na rin yung favorites ko. It's 06070. That's one. But I think one more that's very close to my heart is Upside Down.
Oh my God, I love that too. It's so them.
So them. As in parang like Count to Love, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, I Feel Good, yun yung vibe. And I love na pinasok pa rin nila to kasi parang like, alam mo yun, parang in this, you know, evolution of theirs, this part of them, it's still there and alive. And I love this song because yes, it sounds like yun nga yung mga Count to Love It, but there's something different about it. May kind of like erraticness nga siya. Yung parang paiba-iba ng Tapos ang sarap-sarap lang yung pakinggan kasi it just feels so alive in its movement of sound. Alam mo yun? So
Like a rhapsody.
like a rhapsody. Alam mo yun? So as in it's right in the middle, so it's refreshing na parang like you're coming from like deeper songs, like meron kang yung very introspective na 0670, and then may mga sexy song ka na dive on the opposite end, and then right in the middle you have this like fun, like fantabulous sound.
Yeah.
And I want to like siguro zero in lang on siguro their vocals in this album, because this album really showcased like the musicality of this group. Alam mo yon, parang, and I think in terms of like conceptualizing this album din, parang they really went for full-on musicality track. Alam mo yun? Kind of like how 17 does it, I guess.
Yeah.
And parang talagang, and they really utilize the voices of the members. Like, I mean, they're great vocalists, pero wala silang mga biritero, wala silang mga ganun. Pero ang galing ng pagkakagamit ng mga boses nila. Sobrang gamit na gamit ng maayos. Like, I have never heard Songho sing this good. As in, di ba parang siya usually, parang he would start or end like a song. Parang ganun. And I love na parang ginamit yung song niya to kind of like add that lingering flavor to a song. Di ba sa viral? Sa dulo nun siya. Tapos my God, mamatchingan mo pa nun sa MV na linalamon siya ng wave. Ang ganda. And then Riwu with that freaking voice. Oh my goodness. As in parang in freaking sane. So,
Napansin ko rin kay Sungho, first time kong marinig yung voice niya na ganito kakapal.
yes!
Usually kasi manipis eh.
Oo.
Kumapal yung
Yung
boses.
mapal
Parang
nga siya.
ano lang, parang hangin.
Oo. Inaano nga, di ba, ginagaya nila?
Correct. Ano yun? Earl Grey, vanilla latte.
Ganon.
Ba yun?
So, and then, siguro like a little bit lang, I also love viral. As in, sobrang like, it is so BTS coded, the BTS and the K-pop that like, at first, I was confused about. Parang, what is
May
this?
pagka-TXT din
May
siya.
pagka-TXT din siya, agree. As in, yung ganong klaseng sobrang maximalist kind of sound. And parang, and that freaking outro. This album has some of the best outros ever. As in, sobrang ganda ng outro ng Viral, ang ganda ng outro ng Adios. As in, parang, inisip ko nga, bakit kaya nila talagang tinutukan yung dulo, no? I guess siguro parang after you listen to it nga, parang that's the feeling that stays with
They
you.
want to, yeah.
So, anyway.
And,
So,
and I think that helps with the transition. Kaya the whole
Correct.
album becomes a great, an easy listen.
An easy
Oo,
listen.
from start to
Kasi
finish.
parang hindi siya,
True.
I mean, yung it ends, in a way, they end on a high. Parang
Correct.
ganon.
Agree.
And then start again. Parang
Oo.
ganon.
Yeah.
So, hindi siya yung you have to start from
Oo.
below.
Oo.
Ang ganda ng
Si-
progression ng mga songs.
Si Viral nga has that like, parang sonogong feel. Diba? Sa towards the end ng sonogong, yun, diba yung parang, may ganun, tas ito din, may ganun kang feeling. Adios din, may ganun. So, galing lang talaga.
Cliffhanger.
Cliffhanger, exactly.
We do have an MV review about Viral, so please do check it out. We'll put it down in the description and also via card. But yes, agree din ako sa Upside Down. That's also one of my top favorite songs in this album. It has all their wit and it has all their fun.
Oo.
And it was done in a way that contained everything in one song. I feel like it's one of those that would be like, ano ba Boy Next Door? I think this would be part of like a
Correct.
playlist that I'll make somebody listen to.
Aha,
Like, if you wanna get to know them,
Oo.
kasama yun song na yun.
Correct.
And
Agree.
sana i-perform. I really wanna see it performed as well. So that I could see the visual. Ang kulit eh. Yung mga boses na lumiliit. Yung mga ganun. And also like,
Bibinekdo daw.
oh,
Bibinekdo.
correct. And also like, giving Lihan a chance to just really be. Na parang,
Serenade us.
Shine.
na parang, ganito talaga ako eh. Baka kayo yung mali. Hindi ako. Di ba?
Kayo talaga.
Kayo yung mali. Kayo yung
Ever
weird.
since.
Oo. Parang ganon. But yeah, my favorite in this album, like, the many times I've been streaming it, that one song that really makes me stop and say, ay, ganda talaga itong kantang to. It's Dive. I love Dive so
too.
much. As in, parang, I'm so sorry, pero kasi Revo bias eh. What can I do? As in,
Wasn't Dive like nung ano pa lang, nung track teasers, samplers pa lang.
Oo.
Sinabi mo na, what is this song and why is this gonna be my favorite track?
kasi
Yun yung
alam ko
sinabi
na
niya
yung
sa
sexy.
GC. Oo.
Alam ko na parang sexy. Tapos parang doon pa siya, sa spoiler na, yung parang nasa sahig sila, tapos gumaganon-ganon, di ba? Ay, yare! But yeah, like this song, whenever I hear it, sinabi ko rin pala sa kanila na, alam niyo, binayas ko si Ryu kasi funny siya. Bakit ganda yung gumagaling kumanta?
Kinulong na siya.
Yes! Papugi po siya ng papugi with every comeback. Ano nangyayari?
I keep saying, diba si Unak, siya yung parang, uy, mama na siya. Like,
Mama
mama na siya. Hindi pa naman masyado, pero gets, parang every time I see him, tanda na niya, ganun-ganon. Pero honestly, si Ryu, siya yung pinaka, oh man, like, so much has changed. Kamukha niya si, Wuyang.
Oh my
Oh my
God.
God.
Di ba? Ang dami nagsasabi na anak ni Wuyong si Ryu that they have to be together. Exactly. Yeah.
Oo.
Kaya
Abs
parang
naman
makikita-
dyan.
Na-stress. May nakita akong ganun sa isang university festival. Okay. But yeah, kasi yung sa Dive, ang ganda talaga ng boses niya. As in, dito talaga ako parang, gosh, he really just is a learned singer and he sings like this. Even when they sang it live during the showcase, flawless. As in, parang yun yung, parang may hit na talaga niya lahat ng mga notes nang wala lang, nakaupo lang siya, tapos parang inaasar siya, kantahan mo nga kami. Oh my God, as in sobrang, ang ganda-ganda lang talaga nitong song na to.
Meron lang talagang talented, no?
Oo.
Kailangan lang ma-discover that they have it.
Correct. Oo, di man niya
Parang-
akalain na magiging singer siya eh.
Di ba? Yun nga yung parang namin eh, sabi namin ng anak ko, kasi middle child.
Kasi
middle child nga siya.
Kasi parang,
Kailangan niya magsikap.
Oo, di ba? Kasi parang honestly, if you look
Has
at
to
him,
prove himself.
pogi siya.
Oo.
Pero parang hindi lang siya pogi, funny din siya. Kailangan niya maging funny kasi middle child siya. Hindi siya papansinin ni mama. Kaya ang galing
Or
niyang
ano,
sumayaw.
Or
Hindi lang pwede.
hindi siya aware na talented pala siya kasi hindi siya binigyan ng lesson.
Oo, hindi siya in-enroll.
Tinipid siya.
Kasi usually the eldest
The
and the
eldest.
youngest.
Oo.
Diba?
Tapos nun, kahit na ginagawa niya, hindi siya nako-congratulate ni mama.
Correct.
Hindi siya
Kasi,
napapalasakan.
kasi either nagawa na ni
Oo.
ni older or or mas
ganon.
magaling dancing si Younger, parang gano'n.
Kaya nga yung kwento niya nung nagdi-dinner sila, di ba? Na parang si Zico, after so long, first time na kinomend ulit yung dancing niya. So the next day, pag dating niya, sayaw na siya.
Di ba?
Oo.
Ay, naku, huwag kang mag-alala, Yu. Ang dami naming nagmamahasit ko. Compliment ka namin to the ends of the earth.
Correct. Ito talaga ang peak yearner next door. I love it when they yearn.
I love it so much. Especially Rihan.
Oo.
Sige, magbigay tayo ng time kung meron ka pang one song na gustong ilapag.
Oh my God.
I wonder.
Oh,
Parang nasabi natin.
Hindi pa
natin
pala.
natin.
Oo.
Well, it's sweet.
Oo.
Alam mo yun, it's a great ender, and then knowing what it's about, and like just the fact that wonder,
Exactly.
alam mo yun,
Exactly.
it's just too much sweetness. Merong
Sobra.
6-minute version.
Yeah.
And there's, ayun, self-love, healing, wow, keywords, self-love, healing, and then, parang, nami-mention pa rin yung anxiety, but there's gratitude.
Yes.
Parang ganon. And
Oo.
that's what we go through. Alam mo yun? So,
Complex
parang,
siya.
complex siya. Yun nga, parang
Mm.
it's what makes the song layered.
Yes.
Hindi siya, I love you, period.
Oo.
Alam mo yun?
Correct.
So, kumbaga may weight talaga yung mga pinagsasabi
Oo.
nila.
Oo.
Yeah.
Kaya gusto ko siya. Actually, gusto ko dahil I wonder.
Yun talaga yung sobrang sweet.
Started with that.
Diba? Tsaka parang kapag meron silang fan meet, they call it Wonderful Night.
Yes.
So parang it all connects to that as well. Tsaka parang wala lang, parang masyado silang masarap magmahal. With this song, like you can really see them to just pour out their vulnerability and tell you what they can do and also what they're afraid of. Ang ganda ng pagkakalatag. These boys. Okay, I wonder.
Ako, I imagine it in a concert. As in encore song.
Ay, sa akin. So let's
As
go see
in,
the
and
stars.
then yung bridge nila sa dulo,
Mm.
na parang feeling ko, oh my gosh, confettis.
Oo.
Ganun
Ito yung ito yung song
moment.
right before mag-group picture.
Yes, correct.
It's usually the soft, diba?
Oh, and then you really feel their love for each other and for their fans. And I feel like, just to highlight lang, parang like, I mean, and I'm not sure din about the other groups, but like, sobrang clear dito yung pagmamahal nila sa isa't isa.
Oh.
And I feel like that's why I'm like really leaning towards this group kasi parang it, we know naman na, the whole relationship of the idols. Medyo manufactured din yun di ba? So we just try to learn to see kung ano yung totoo. Alam mo yan? And it really does feel like totoo talaga siya na parang they really would love to be in their 60s and still be performing together. So.
I feel like, naman, parang as fans, you'd notice naman if your idols are really friends with each other or they're not. And I feel like madami ding tao yung na-vindicate. Si Jungwon, nung sinabi niya sa Enhypen na, actually, dati strictly business lang kami.
Correct.
Parang may sinabi siyang gano'n na parang, okay, ang dami ding taong nag-isip at na-feel yun. And ang sabi ni Jungwon, it's because we did not train together. We just suddenly debuted and then it was work.
Oo.
And parang with Boy Next Door, I think what makes it special is that Jaehyun came in late. Parang 6 months into debut.
Correct.
Biglang nandun na siya.
Oo.
And then in that short amount of time, and they always credit it to Wunak,
Oo.
na kaya tayo naging close lahat.
Correct.
Kaya tayo naging family next door because of Wunak being there, making sure to be makulit to everybody, talking to everybody, connecting with
Oh my God,
everybody.
the baby boy!
That's why, feel natin
Baka
lahat
makulit
yun.
lang siya.
Pwede
So,
din
hindi
naman.
niya talaga intention yun. Makulit lang talaga siya.
Parang lang, side effect lang. Asa panganay. Charis, ito na naman mga psychology. Hindi po kami psychology. Marian Rivera. Okay, we already mentioned all of the songs.
Not yet,
so,
Forever You, we haven't.
we mentioned it kanina as the
Okay,
song
okay.
na parang kay G.O.D. Nakakaiyak kasi. O sige, go.
Ano lang, very touching. And I feel like it's really, like, as much as 06070 is, like, vulnerable. Ito din. Parang, like, this is a song na sila lang din kayang gumawa. Alam mo yun? Parang, I mean, because it's their stories and talagang, yun. And I see, like, a lot of people, like, talking about it online. And I guess, parang, the stories really resonate with them. Missing loved ones. Diba, growing up apart from them. And I really, really, really appreciate na sinama to. At hindi na sila nagpaka-cool. Na hindi natin kailangan pag-usapan ng mga magulang natin, ganyan. Hindi. Talagang feeling ko nga pinilit pa nila Na kailangan may ganito tayong moment.
Correct.
And I guess to ground everything,
Yeah.
as with 0670. So,
Yeah.
yun lang. Like, wherever you, so nice.
Yeah. And sinabi nga ni Tessan na parang sinabihan siya ng tatay niya na, buhay pa ako ah.
Oo.
Bakit?
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 Pwede bang next time gawan mo naman ako nung mas masaya?
Tatay talaga niya. Anong pilyo din yun eh.
Oo, kita-kita mo na, kaya ganyan yung anak.
Oo,
Pero
correct.
sobrang nakaka-touch and because that moment also in the docu when they showed Wunak talking to his grandmother.
Oh,
So
sakit
parang
nun.
ang grabe din yung weight and everybody
Yeah.
talking about how Wunak just went through with performances knowing that his grandfather passed. So it's nice that he was honest, vulnerable, or he allowed us in at least an
Yes, I
insight
love
on his
that.
relationship with his grandfather and immortalized it in song.
Mm.
So, ano ba ang inyong rating sa first studio album ng Boy Next Door called Home? Monica?
I will give it a 4.5.
Mhm.
Hindi siya perfect. Mostly because of, I guess, preference
Yeah.
at the moment.
Yeah.
Pero you can't deny kasi like alam mo yun, parang you can feel the amount of work that they put in here, the amount of love that they put in here. So, usually, pag hindi ko gets, kung hindi yun yung mood ko or whatever,
Yeah.
mas mababa pa yung score,
Yeah.
honestly.
Yeah.
But, wala eh, parang nakakahiya. Parang mahal na mahal nila yung ginawa nila.
Oo.
And I appreciate it. Alam mo yun.
Yeah.
So, kaya 4.5.
Mhm. Ako na sunod sa'yo. Me too. I give it a 4.5 out of 5. I love everything about the album, but I don't know kung ano yung hinahanap ko na parang feeling ko nagkulang.
May something.
May something eh. Pero hindi ko rin siya ma-put into words. I don't know. I'm completely happy and satisfied. I'm listening to it all day
Yeah.
long. But I don't know what it is. So, maybe I'll figure it out. Kukwento ko sa inyo.
Oo.
How about you, Trent?
Girl, I'm extremely biased right now. There is no holding me back. It's 1,000 over 5. I love it. I love it so much. As in, parang I guess siguro like I'm looking at this and I cannot take my bias away because I just love this group so much. I got yuck.
Yeah.
Pero like I just love
Pampadaming
them and like I
views.
really like for me they really showcase they're really youth and like for me siguro like nearing my 40s alam mo malapit na siya parang like inis ko ba't ko ba love na love tong group kasi hindi ko talaga maintindihan eh kasi parang like dumating na sila out of nowhere natutuwa naman ako sa kanila and all that they're really funny pero why is it affecting me this much and I feel like they're showing me a part of my youth na malayo na sa akin. Which is like, just that hunger to express. Alam mo yun, this whole journey na parang like, they put everything on the table. Alam mo yun? And they did it na, wala na silang pake, parang ito na lahat. The documentary na sila, i-judge nyo ako. Alam mo yun, parang we'll put everything here. Kung hindi to mag-workout, anong gagawin natin? And like, gets ko rin naman na parang like, you know, they're doing so well. Pero, you know, if you're in that space at that point in your life, you're so young, you're so hungry. Alam mo yun, na you're just putting everything there. And like, that is just parang, alam mo yun, parang it just makes me remember those days. And that those days can still exist.
Yeah.
And it makes me so happy to see that love and that passion and that hunger. And sana ma-inspire ako for.
Yeah.
So, alam mo yun, I'm extremely biased. So, baka my scoring is not fair. But it's 1,000 over 5. Love, love, love this album. Love, love, love. Boy Next Door.
But there's a reason for the bias. And just as like you said, like, we have our own alts and we have like all of these and there's a reason why they're here at this certain point of our lives. Kayo, Sarang Base, ano ang rating ninyo for this album? Which songs are your favorites? Pakilagay yan lahat sa comment. Mag-usap-usap tayo because we want to talk about it. We want to know everything that you have to share about Boy Next Door. And please do share it with your friends who are also One-Doors. Again, lalapit tayo sa cause. Pababalikin natin sila
Oo,
ng
magsaniblakas
Pilipinas.
tayo, One Doors.
And we are back. Okay, so you know that we don't finish an episode without a game. And honestly, this is one game na matagal ko nang gustong gawin namin. Kaya lang kasi, sure na akong talo ako. Pero i-G na lang natin kahit na matatalo ako because this is Boy Next Door.
Boy Next Door.
Bakit ako sure na matatalo ako? I'm sorry. artists,
Magdodrawing
interior designer,
tayo.
production
Bakit
designer.
Tagal na ako hindi nagdo-drawing.
Guys, what is Boy Next Door without them drawing each other? So, ganito ang ating game. Ang gagawin natin is that we will be given 1 minute. So, gawin na lang natin by age. For Monica, and then Pia, and then Chency. So, for 1 minute, you have to answer the question, what is home? While you're talking about that, idodrawing natin siya. And then after that, ako naman, I'll talk about what is home. And then 1 minute, idodrawing nyo ako. And then same. You have to choose kung sino yung mas magandang drawing. Okay?
Blind ano ba to?
Ha?
Blind vote. Makikita ba niya kung sino nag-drawing?
Oo nga. Ay,
Oo. Hindi, dapat pumikit muna siya. Tapos
okay, mix natin.
Oo,
Sige. Let's get the timer. Si Monica ang una. You have to answer the question, what is home?
Ready?
Ready?
In 3, 2, 1.
Go.
What is home? Home is where you feel safe, where you feel like it's okay to make mistakes because you will not be shunned. You will be supported even and be told na mistakes are okay. The more important thing is that you try again to be a better person. Home does not necessarily mean family as in blood relations. Oo nga eh. Dapat ba comedy to?
Hindi, go lang.
Pwede rin kasi siyang friends. I'm fortunate that in my life, I have many homes. I found many homes. Oh my God, nanalo na Mama's Universe. I have found homes in at work, within my family. Ang dami kong groups of... mayaman pala ako. Oo nga eh.
Ayan na ako, tapos na.
2 kulay ba yan? Ginamit
Hindi.
nyo?
Focus eh.
Okay.
Okay lang yan.
Okay,
Hindi mo
sige,
naman
Hindi
makikita.
ko naman nakita kung anong kulay.
Okay.
Okay.
Kasi nakafocus ako sa aking camera.
I love it.
Dahil gusto ko manalo.
Focus. Oo.
ng Miss Universe.
Yes!
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Piliin mo.
Ito ba yung sa'yo?
Teka lang,
Ay,
ba't mo
sorry.
pinakita sa
sige,
kanya?
pinakahaluin pa natin.
Okay.
Not looking.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
So, piliin mo kung kanino ang best drawing papakita natin.
Okay. And in 3, 2. Wow! Oh my God!
Ganda ng profile niya. You really got her very strong, features.
Shucks! Uy, natutuwa ako kasi dito matangos yung ilong ko, wala akong double chin, alam mo yun.
Girl, hindi ko akalain na yung ilong mo tsaka yung forehead mo isa lang.
As a Neanderthal. My gosh, I'm so confused. This feels like very textbook. Alam mo yung mga pocketbooks nung dati? Pero ito parang may art.
I
There's
think,
some-
very,
very
very,
siya modernist, yung mga
Very
ganon.
Picasso.
Oo.
Very cubist.
Naiiyak na ako.
So I want to choose Picasso. Papa-frame ko talaga siya.
Oh my God, I'm so proud of myself. Naiiyak ako.
Alam mo, si girl, expression lang kailangan. Oo, yun ang key.
I think confident. I mean, sinabi mo artist kami, but don't forget, we appreciate anything.
Correct.
Thank you for appreciating my red and,
And
blue.
also, I really like the colors that you chose.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oo, parang they're on the opposite ends of the spectrum. So it
Ah.
like really brings it together.
Yeah, yun talaga intention ko.
Oo.
Ipapa-frame ko talaga.
Oo.
Ang ganda.
Girl, I think pirmahan mo.
Pirmahan mo.
Gamitin mo green.
Okay, pirmaan na.
Lakihan mo yung pirma mo. Tapos lagyan mo ng date. Ayan.
Oh my God, ours!
Is that your idol signature?
It's my checkbook signature.
Legal.
Hindi natin ilagay sa check.
Legal. Your legal
Pwede ko gawing
signature.
e-signature.
Oh my God.
Nakakaiyak. Okay.
Beautiful. And I love the lips are blue. Oh my God, who's
Okay.
next?
So, it's my turn to talk about home. Guys, if you don't know, yung episode ng Fun Next Door na drinawing nila yung isa't isa, sobra kasing nakakatawa yun. Kaya kailangan namin tong gawin. Okay.
Ay,
1
parang
minute.
gusto ko ng angle. Dito ako angle. Ganyan.
1 minute starts
1 minute.
now. Okay, so what is home? Home is where the heart is. What? I think para sa akin, just like what Mon said a while ago, yung home is something that you can find in multiple places. And just like her, I'm also lucky to have found that in different places. And gosh, na-realize ko lang din that this one, being one to Saryang and with Saryang base, that's also like a version of home that I'm so proud to have, and that it's something that's been part of me as well. I feel like may sense naman yung sinasabi nga nila na, I mean, it's a cliche for a reason when they say that home is where the heart is, because it really is. So, like, if I say that my heart is with Aldiwan, with Boy Next Door, with BTS, with 17, then they're also my home, and I can have multiple homes.
Oh, bilis!
At ayan na.
Oh my God.
And 1 minute is done. My heart is in Korea. Okay. So, kailangan ko ngayon pumili kung kanino best drawing. Reveal to the
Ayan,
cameras.
ayan.
Okay. So, pipili tayo ng best drawing.
And in 3, 2, 1, go!
Gusto ko talaga kasi every time bago kami mag-record, matagal ako magpilik mata. Gusto kong nag-reflect ang aking pilik mata. Thank you so much.
Yun ang pinaka-characteristic sa mukha mo. Yung pilik mata eh.
Kailangan para bumukas ang
Oo,
aking mata. So,
namaste.
thank you so much for that, for all the eyelashes.
Sa sobrang dami mong eyelashes na wala na yung mata mo.
Kaya,
Nag-disappear na siya. Hindi na umabot.
so like, yun nga eh, parang kasi, ito, parang siyang girl, pagod na siya. Pagod na pa siya.
Nakaganon siya.
Sabi niya, parang,
Oo.
ito na naman tayo. Ganon. Pero ito, parang kahit anong gusto mong
Oo.
ilagay. Kasi
Oo.
parang flat pa lang yung bibig niya. So, pwede mo pang pasmile sa dulo,
Correct.
gawing sad,
Oo.
gawing galit,
Oo.
ganon.
Ayan yung dapat ang tawag dito.
Connect the dots.
Connected. Hindi, or kaya mag-audition ka. Di ba? Parang, yun, mapakita mo. Kasi parang you can be whoever they want to
Oo.
be.
So, oh my God, now
Parang
I cannot
ganon.
choose.
I think ganito mo ilagay. Combination siya. Ganun. Tapos pag tinapat mo sa araw.
Oh my God, yes.
Parang magka-face.
Ay, art! Oh my God, ang art!
Oh my God!
Ang ganda.
Okay, nakita niyo yan?
Hawakan mo.
Nakita niyo yan, Sarang Bes?
Ayan, ito. Lagyan mo din, ganyan.
Ay,
Oh my God, ang art!
Art,
I think, yes.
Diba?
Okay.
Art yan.
So, pwede ba yun? Pwede ba yun? 2
Oo.
points? May point kayong
Pwede,
pareho?
oo. Ako tanggap ko yan. Pwede mo naman gawin.
Ay, ang ganda.
Oh. Oh my
Oh,
God.
diba?
Oh,
Dive
diba?
into you.
Parang music video lang yan.
Correct. Abangan ninyo.
Oh my God. My turn. Wait lang. I'm gonna pose.
Kailangan mag-post. Kailangan na Kailangan ng timer.
Ay, yung timer pala. Home is where the heart is. Home is my address in Makati. But home is where I would love to be after a very long day. What is home? Home. Home sweet home. Di na ako masyado ako nag-focus sa aking pagpo-post. Sige, serious business. Home talaga is where your heart is, diba? It can be anywhere in this world. It can be with whoever you want to be, as long as you're comfortable with the people you're with, the place you're in. But honestly, at the end of the day, home is yourself. If you feel at home with yourself, then you can be at home anywhere. Diba? So I think that's the goal in life. To be so comfortable with yourself, then you can put yourself anywhere in this world
Time
and be at
is
home.
up.
Ala. Parang nakita ko na to sa isang Jaryo. Editorial card.
Abante.
Wanted.
So, wanted.
So, reveal to the camera. I feel like there's a story here. Pili kayo. Sarang base.
Oh my God.
And in 3, 2, tada!
Ang dami niyang kamay! I love this! Ang ganda. It tells such different stories. Let's start with this one. Pakita natin. let's start with this. I think ito yun eh. It's an evident transition of this to this. Diba? And it's giving Tintin.
You know what?
And I think this is Monica's because she loves Tintin, right? Oo.
Or it's giving yung sa fluid,
Ano
you
yun?
draw people with sadness in their eyes.
Correct.
Ganon.
Oo, ganyan kasi pag sad ka.
Kaya nakaganon.
Pero nakaganon ka. Oo, so evident. Yan. But this one, I mean, you can flip it around.
And it's still
And
you.
it's still you. The expression. It's like, oh my gosh, is she here because she wants to eat with a fork? But what I truly appreciate with both are the way they portrayed my hair. Diba? The subtle curls on this one, truly appreciate, but the bouffant. the massive coif on top here, it's very, very interesting. And I would also like to point out that, are these my lips?
Yes.
I really like the fact that it's very
Prominent.
and very
From this angle, I
Pointy.
could see it.
correct. Oo nga. I mean, it's very, very hard to choose. Oh my gosh, ang hirap pumili. Parang it's like two different artists. My gosh. Okay. I would like to go with this
Wow.
because
full body.
full body kasi.
Half body
Oo,
pala.
tsaka
Medium shot
nag-evolve
pala.
siya kasi may mata na siya.
Oo nga eh. Minadali ko siya.
Oo.
Para
Oo.
siyang ready sa dive.
Correct. Ready nga siya sa dive.
Mhm.
But I mean, I have to also truly appreciate this because this can...
Because the Wolverine
the Wolverine hands.
hands.
So parang like, if I need a costume for Halloween.
You just need to do this.
Correct, di ba? Yun ako lang gumanon. Diba?
And it's enough.
And it's a coif on the head. And honestly, what is this?
Sorry.
Buhok ba yan?
Buhok yan.
Isa pang kamay.
Buhok yan. Na-realize ko, hindi ko kasi na-represent yung curls.
Gusto ko yung curls lahat naka-C.
Oo nga eh. For kagaanan.
I
For
love.
Celine.
Thank you for bringing my family
Hindi.
name.
Tsaka tingnan mo kasi gumanon ka. Ito, C. Oh. It's
To be fair.
realistic.
Sana tungtong do. One to artists.
One to artist.
I think this is it.
Kita nyo, pwede tayong maging maligaya, papel at ballpen lang ang kailangan. Mga sarang...
Kumatik.
I love, papa-frame ko
Ganda.
talaga siya.
Tas meron siyang blue sa tas.
I know.
Like, ano yun?
Kasi laging may loose something
Oo,
sa hair
parang,
ko eh.
oo. Kasi
Laging
nga,
may tikwas na something.
Highlight
Oo.
siya. And I
So
love the fact
real.
na dumugtong siya sa kilay mo.
I know. Kasi hindi ko rin maintindihan yung kilay ko eh.
Correct.
Minsan nandyan, minsan sobra.
Oo, correct. Ganda.
Pero guys, promise, yun lang ang kailangan, maging maligaya. Okay? Para sa hindi pa nanonood nung Fun Next Door na may drawing, panoorin nyo. Masaya din. Tulad namin. And that's it for episode Saryang Days. Share this with your friends who are wonders. We are on YouTube, Spotify, and on Apple Podcasts. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Oo, ipopost namin.
I think kaya natin post it.
I think kailangan makita
Oo,
in its
kailangan
full
makita.
glory.
Uh-huh.
Okay? Para please repost, reshare, ganyan. And we will see you in our next episode. Thank you. You're the best. Gumawa, Chago yan. Sarang hey!
Sarang hey!
Heart to heart to!
Maganda ata i-playlist yung dive, wave, swim, ano pa ba?
Ano yung wave?
80s.
80s.
Oh, hindi, sorry, not 80s, as in 17. Wave, yung giling-giling din.
Giling.
Kasi yung wave 80s, ano pa yun eh?
Hakuna.
Wholesome.
Oo.
My God, for the first time, ang 80s, ang wholesome na
Diba?
yun. Diba?
Diba?
Playlist na to, no?
Pero isama natin para masaya.
Parang masaya.
Lemonade.
Oh! Correct.
Lemonade, mali pa
Wait,
is pa yun.
ano-
Lemon drop
Anong
kasi.
pangalan ng playlist na to?
Sexy Waters. Hindi ko alam.